We have crews out in the triad this morning tracking the aftermath of yesterday's winter weather.
WFMY News 2's Giselle Thomas joins us live at Greensboro Urban Ministry in Greensboro. Giselle, you know, snow isn't just an inconvenience. It actually can block people from getting access to basic needs like food. What is the Urban Ministry doing to help people in this situation?
Yes, that is so true, and that's exactly why Greensboro Urban Ministry is doing what they can to get people food in this community. Now, this is about 300 bags that we can see that is combined with food. We're going to take a quick look at what's inside of here in just a second. I'm actually here with Ms. Tyra Clymer. She's the Director of Spiritual Care. Yes. I wanted to ask Tyra, I know, just so everybody understands, these bags are going to be given out to the people at the White Flag Shelter, and then also, from what we understand, the people who show up right here to the Potter's House. Yes. Tell us a little bit about just the contents of this bag. You guys see there's several things here for a great breakfast.
Oh, yes. So we definitely try and provide the most nutritious breakfast that we can. So for breakfast they will have a sandwich, and also for lunch they'll have a sandwich, juice, milk, and cereal. And so we typically would have a hot breakfast, but because of the conditions, some of the groups that would normally be here to cook the meals are not here. And so we just have to pivot a little and make sure that we still provide a nutritious breakfast and lunch.
And I know throughout the morning we've been showing you guys how treacherous that these roads really are, which is what stops some of those groups. But here at Greensboro Urban Ministry, clearly you guys are still giving out that food that's needed. I wanted to ask too, I know in the times I've been here seeing people lined up around the corner for these breakfasts. There's actually one man already out there now. Tell us about just how the community really thrives on this and how it's such a necessity.
Well, daily we provide up to 600 meals. People come, children even come when children are out of school. That's why these meals are so important, because when children are out of school, they also come and get a meal, breakfast or lunch. So we're here every day, 24/7. Our building is open to help people.
And just as a quick thing, you guys, this is just what's giving out to the community. Over there is actually what the people who are part of the shelter here are going to get as well. So it's hundreds of literally portions of food on top of an additional 200 or so. So it's just so many different things that are getting together here in the need to serve others. Live in Greensboro, Giselle Thomas, WFMY News 2.
All right, thanks, Giselle. Just another reminder that the snow, these weather conditions impact more than just the commute.